Hey food lover, today I'm showing you how to make soft and fluffy yogurt puff puff. I call it the perfect festive snack everyone will love. Very simple ingredients, quick steps, and without wasting time, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need few ingredients. I'm using self-raising flour. We will need some milk powder. We're going to be using the yogurt and then we'll need some nutmeg also. So in a bowl, add your flour. I'm using 2 cups of flour. If you want more of the puff puff, you can double the ingredients inside. And guys, feel free to check the all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. So combine all the dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the milk, the nutmeg, give it a quick mix to combine. And then add your creamy yogurt. Yes, this is what makes the puff puff very extra soft and delicious. Mix that together until you get a smooth, a stretchy batter, not too thick and not too runny. Add the water gradually just to get the perfect consistency. After then, if you want, you can cover it for like 20 minutes because this is yogurt puff puff. It's not like the normal one where you need to leave it for like 1 hour or 50 minutes to rise. So for yogurt puff puff, you don't even need more stress. Your own is just to combine the ingredients and then start frying immediately. Now heat your oil on medium heat. Scoop small portion of it, the batter, and gently drop them in the oil. Fry until it is golden brown. I'm going to go the second one more because I'm not making much of the puff puff. I'm only making like 2 cups, not too much. So just make scoop the batter as the size you want. If you want big size, make it. If you want just a little size, you're also good to go. You can then remove it and drain it on a paper towel, but I put every of the puff puff in a sieve, in a big sieve, okay, so the oil can drip out of it. I'm now going for the second round. Now I'm scooping the puff puff in there. Now, are you team yogurt puff puff or your team spicy puff puff or the normal one without the spiciness? Let me know. But I tell you, this recipe, this yogurt puff puff I'm making for you is the perfect puff puff for this festive season. Are you going to be giving this a try? Let me know down below. Thank you so much. I also want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers, everyone that keep on supporting this channel. I am so grateful to have you. And that's it. Your festive yogurt puff puff is ready to enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more video. That is it. It is so good and yummy. It came out so mouth-watering and perfect for this festive season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye. Enjoy.